afternoon, students. As we had read earlier that negative sentences come to page number 66. Today we are going to discuss the exercise 1 and exercise 2 both. So negative sentences, no, not, never, these types of negative words, if these are present in a sentence, that is called negative sentence. So here we can see in exercise 1 there are some positive sentences which you have to turn into negative ones. So let's do that. Question number 1, I am busy today. So what it will be? I am not busy today. So I told you that this negative word will be used after the be verb. Similarly, the second will be I will do it now. I will not do it now. Similarly, the third will be she is singing. It will be she is not singing. Fourth, it is cold today. It is not cold today. Fifth, I shall go there. I shall not go there. Sixth, we are hungry. We are not hungry. Seventh, Hari was absent. Hari was not absent. Next, eighth number, the door is shut. The door is not shut. Ninth number, Shita is a clever girl. Shita is not a clever girl. 10th number, they were reading. It will be they were not reading. Okay, so now we will do the exercise 2, which we will do it like as we have done exercise 1. Satish was present yesterday. So it will be Satish was not present yesterday. Students, look where we are putting the negative words. We are putting the negative words exactly after the be verbs. The be verbs means the helping verbs. I just mean that the helping verbs am, is, are, has, have, will, shall, was, were. These are the helping verbs. So where are the helping verbs? We have to put the negative word exactly after the helping verbs. Just look at the helping verbs in every sentence. In every sentence we have put the negative words after, just after the be verbs. Just after the be verbs or just after the helping verbs. So these are the helping verbs which I have made circle around. Then I am underlining the negative words. Just look, they are like similarly used or in almost all the sentences. So I am reading the rest. It is very hot today. So it is not very hot today. I shall go to Bombay tomorrow. I shall not go to Bombay tomorrow. Shall not. Shall is the be verb. So where the negative word will be used? After the shall. Shall is the helping verb here. She has a sweet voice. She has no sweet voice, or she has not a sweet voice. Kamala was ill yesterday. Kamala was not ill yesterday. Shushila is angry with her sister. Shushila is not angry with her sister. I can do this sum easily. I cannot do this sum easily. Now look here, students. As I have told that helping verbs. So in your text, which text? Minu and Kitty. In that text, you have these kinds of words like I can do that. So here I can do that. 4 words are there. What is the helping verb I told? Can. The star one is the helping verb. So where is the helping verb? We have to find out. And right after the helping verb, we have to use the negative word. So I cannot do that. Just look, I cannot do that. Now if we want to make this sentence into interrogative or the questioning sentence, so then the be verb will be coming at the beginning. So can, I will be you. Can you do that? Question. Okay, students. So likewise, you have to do the rest. Like I can do this sum easily. I cannot do this sum easily. We shall go out for a walk. We shall not go out for a walk. The windows were shut by Ashok. The windows were not shut by Ashok. The girls were sitting there. The girls were not sitting there. So this is all about the negative sentences. I will give some more about the negative sentences in your next English 1 class. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.